Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. You're joining me today in my G20. Last week we had the power output increased to 216 odd horsepower, 220 PS if that's what you want to refer to it as. And behind me you'll notice that we've got a big box. Now that big box includes a M Performance kit. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be going to my friends at Rapport. I'm going to be using their unit and having that kit fitted. I'm going to try and do all of the install myself, and hopefully this car will then look as good as it should. So hopefully guys, I'll see you there shortly. I'm going to quickly just get the car cleaned because it's quite filthy. It's not been washed in over a couple of weeks, and to get the kit on I do want the car looking quite nice as well. It is raining, but you know I can't really do anything about that, but I do want to get my car clean anyway, so hopefully I'll see you shortly. So here we go, I'm now at Rapport. I've got the car here. There's my G20, there's a Rolls Royce Phantom back there, makes the G20 look really small. And then down here we've got the M Performance kit, or well, the aftermarket kit anyway. So let's go and have a quick look at what we've got here. So starting from the back end, we've got the gloss black diffuser, and this is the centerpiece. I've gone for the full gloss black here because I didn't want to go for the carbon look on this car. I've got my M4 for that. So this diffuser is going to replace the kind of grey one down here, and it's going to just make the back end look a bit more striking. We've also got the gloss black spoiler. Again, this is an aftermarket one, but it's gloss black, and it's going to really make this spoiler look much better. I mean, this is just like a little thin tiny piece anyway. I don't even know why it comes part of an M Sport Plus pack, but that one there is definitely going to make it look really aggressive. And then towards the front I've gone for gloss black splitter. Comes as part of a 3-part splitter, so you got these parts here which bolt onto the underside down here, and then all this fits underneath the front end, so it's going to really make the front end quite aggressive. Literally, I mean, I haven't got the side skirts at the moment, they're on their way, so what we've got will install, and the side skirts, when they do arrive, I'll have them fitted to the car in due course. So what we're going to do right now is go and start assembling the splitter on the front and get that put onto the car. Okay, so what I've just done is I've taken one of these kind of pieces which was for the left hand side, and I've bolted it on. So the kit comes with like soft tappers and some of these bolts and nuts and bolts rather, and you put 4 of these in each of the sides. So you got one there, another one there, another one there, another one there, and another one there, and you'll do the same on the other side as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and just assemble this onto the splitter, then we're going to go ahead and assemble it onto the car. Now I've asked the team here at Rapport to give me some help, and they've given me this jack over here, so we're going to raise the car, put some access stands on, and give us some nice access underneath the front end to then get the splitter on without much issues. So hopefully guys, we'll get the front end done, and then we'll move on to the rear, because I think the rear, the issue I'm going to have is taking this off, the little teeny spoiler, and then putting on the gloss one. So yeah, let's just crack on and see how it all pans out. So we got the car now in the air with the jack, and I've just got the lip in the front. So what we're going to do here, kindly got these pads as well. We're going to take out these bolts here. So 1, 2, we're going to leave that 1, 3 and 4 and 5, and all of these are going to go through the holes that we've got down here anyway. So these holes down here as part of the kit, those clips and the extra bolts are gonna go through here, and we'll do the same on the other side and get the front end looking as good as it should. Now, as we got the car in the air, I just want to show you something. It's still looking quite small compared to this Phantom that we've got here. Look at that 6.75 litre V12 engine, a masterpiece. I shouldn't really get distracted by this thing. Over there we've got an AMG C63 with like the Edition 1 stripes being applied. The team over there working hard as they are. I'm obviously at Rapport. There we go. Right, back to it. I've got to get this done and get out of here. So we just now completed the front end of the car. The front lip looks absolutely amazing. It really sets off the front end of the G20. I will link all the parts and all the kit in the description of this vid, so you can go ahead and buy them if you like what you're seeing. We have used a bit of Tiger Seal on the driver's side, on the right hand side of the car, so there was just a little bit of a gap and we just wanted it to literally fit flush. And the reason for that could be that I might not have aligned it properly. I am an amateur, I'll be honest with you. And I am trying to do this as much of it as possible myself, just so that, you know, yes, you should really take it to a body shop. We are pretty much in a body shop here. The guys are wrapping all sorts of cars and what have you, but I don't really want to disturb them so much. So yeah, I'm just going to carry on now and attack the rear diffuser, which is down here. So this is the new Aftermarket G20 diffuser. We've got the centerpiece which clips into there. I'm going to use this as a reference so that I know where the clips are on the original one, so I can go and sort of take them out. And yeah, hopefully we'll get the back end looking much nicer compared to how it looks now. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, but it'll really set you off because we're going to put on the gloss black spoiler up there as well. So hopefully within a few moments it will be looking absolutely amazing. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is get under the car, and you got 4 tappet screws like these down here. There are 1, 2, 3 and another one 4. You remove these, and I've already done that, and then you can pull the diffuser, the current one that's on the car, out, and I've done that, and hence why these clips here, they've kind of popped out from the underside of this bit. You've then got some clips on the side down there, and the same on the other side down there somewhere. So the idea is to clip these out and then the diffuser will come out. Now another thing that you might notice is I've taken the toe cover off. Now in the as part of the kit you will get this bottom bit down here as part of the kit. You'll get that in gloss black that literally just clips out as well, so that's first thing that you need to do is take that out so you don't snap it off, and then you're just going to tug and pull until the diffuser literally just pops out of its clips. So let's go and do that now. Just by way of reference, this is the diffuser that we've got, and you can see where the clips are, so we got them throughout, so you know what you should be tugging and pulling at for the actual diffuser, the current one, to kind of come out. So you've got some tabs on the top there as well, so using this as a guide, that one should literally just kind of pop out. I say pop out, might take a bit of time, but yeah, let's see how I get on. So basically he's just gone and just yanked it off like that. So if you want to know how to take off the rear diffuser, that's exactly how you do it. Just like that. Just keep pulling at it. Take those screws off from the bottom like I did. That was the easy bit, and then just whack it off like that. And I think that it already looks pretty decent as it is from here. Thanks, buddy. It looks much better like this, to be honest with you. Maybe I should just rock this look. It looks way more sporty. But anyway, we're gonna go now and fit the other one, which should be a piece of cake anyway, because it's over here. And yeah, we'll just go and do that. But I think he's just gonna give it a quick clean. Got the first clip in. Yeah, that little bottom piece here now, this just clips into there. So now we've got the diffuser all fitted out, and it looks absolutely amazing. It literally gives the back end a little bit more of an aggressive look. And we've got this centerpiece here that's got these little fins, and I think that looks amazing. Now you might be thinking, why am I wearing these? But that's only because I've just gone and taken off the little tiny spoiler that we had here. We used a bit of fishing line, which was this. Obviously you just time-lapse the whole thing anyway. Now we need to get rid of this residue. There's a little bit of glue, and yeah, might just need to heat it up a little bit and just peel it off anyway. And then once that's off, we're going to be taking and putting on this gloss black spoiler. There's the tiny one here. If you got a G20 in mineral white without the spoiler and you're thinking of getting one, get in touch with me through my Instagram if you want this one. I'm sure we can come to some kind of an arrangement, agreement, or whatever it might be. Or alternatively, you can just go and buy yourself a proper looking gloss black one that we're going to fit to our G20 here. So just a bit of a progress update. We've obviously got the rest of the kit on. This spoiler is beginning to feel like it's like an age, because I've taken the spoiler off, but there's a lot of effort trying to take off this adhesive that's underneath, and I've tried like using a lot of, like, say, these alcohol sprays and what have you. I've got it all over my hand as well. So yeah, I'm just going to keep on attacking it really and just see how we get on. But the boys over there, they're obviously busy doing like the Rolls-Royce Phantom, and they're probably going to end up wrapping that car by the time I've just taken this off. So it is a bit of a graft, and I've got it all over my hands, like I say. So I'm just going to carry on, and once it's off, I'll come back. Look at that clean look now. No tiny spoiler on there. Kind of looks bare, doesn't it? I think we need something on there. I think we're going to go right now, put on that gloss black spoiler and give the back end that look that it really deserves. Yeah. Super clean now. So today I've installed the gloss black kit to the G20. I hope you found this video enjoyable to watch, and you found it useful. If you're looking at getting one of these kits, I'll drop the details of the supplier in the descriptions below in case you are looking to get one of those kits. If you're looking to get your car wrapped, then definitely check out Wrap Art. I mean, this is the type of cars that they come wrapped. A Rolls-Royce Phantom. Obviously my G20, they've done some work to that in the past. They've done some work to my M4 as well. These guys definitely pride themselves on what they can obviously achieve in terms of wrapping. But for me right now, I'm absolutely happy with the way the car's looking. We've gone and just put a little bit of adhesive, blue tape all the way around it, just so that it doesn't fly off. Absolutely windy out there, and it's obviously quite rainy as well. Like I say guys, if you've enjoyed this video, definitely give it a like, share, subscribe to the channel. There's a bit more content to come on the G20. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.